be talking about anti-obesity medications. We are going to cover everything from phentermine to Zepbound and all the medications in between and help you understand the pros and cons of different anti-obesity medications, which patient is a fit for which, how to troubleshoot side effects, everything you need to know to comfortably prescribe these medications.
I'll share why working with and supporting parents and caregivers is crucial for effective, sustainable weight management in children.
I'm going to make a case for healthy sleep related to nutrition, exercise, and behavioral change. I'm also going to talk about how sleep problems can sabotage anti-obesity medications and bariatric surgery outcomes.
We are going to go beyond the BMI and uncover the truth about body composition and how to measure it.
We are in the need to be creative, to get outside of the box and to try new approaches using the technology that we have in front of us.
First, why should you be jumping into it right now? What care models are best? And how do you increase ancillary revenues in this model?
In this talk, we'll delve into the many factors contributing to excess weight during the perimenopausal period. We'll also explore evidence-based strategies for managing the weight gain, from lifestyle interventions to pharmacotherapy.
Neurobehavioral approach, I think, is going to be the key, along with the other tools that we use to treat weight loss in order for weight loss to finally be sustainable.
Some of the history of obesity medicine, current controversies, standards of care, and what the future might hold for obesity medicine. There are lots of exciting innovations coming down the pike.
We'll explore how social determinants of health, including economic stability, education, healthcare access, and neighborhood environments, play a critical role in obesity.
We will begin by discussing the current evidence around the use of plant-predominant dietary patterns, including describing what comprises a whole food plant-based way of eating. We will end with a brief cooking demonstration.
Discover the fusion of education and practical application in promoting healthy dietary patterns through culinary medicine.